What's up, guys? It's Taylor with LeSueur Car Company, and we are back with another car review. Today we'll be checking out our new 2018 Honda Pilot. This one's got the EX trim, really comfortable trim. We get a really nice interior. It's got a couple of really nice key features on the exterior as well, though. We'll start up here on the front end. It's got LED headlights. You get these headlight pieces that wrap around the light itself, which is pretty cool. You get chrome trimming across the front grille, fog lights down on bottom. Two-tone alloy rims, and these rims are in awesome condition. They got no scratches. They look great. We got chrome trimming around the windows, and this is a good-sized SUV. We're gonna get into the interior in a sec, but it does have 3 rows of seating. Got a backup camera, trunk latch. We'll pop this trunk real quick, so you can see the 3rd row back here. This will seat up to 8 people. You get 3 in the back, 3 in the center, and then 2 up front, of course. You get AC vents, cup holders, 12-volt power outlet to the left, and then of course you can throw down this 2nd and 3rd row of seating for even more cargo area back here. Other than that, though, we're gonna get keyless entry on the front doors, and then if you make sure that your Pilot is locked, there's a pretty cool feature on the key fob. If you tap this twice and hold it on the 2nd time, you'll actually be able to turn on your Pilot. Takes a sec. It's a pretty cool feature. Let's check out the interior. Alright, guys, so as for the interior, we have a couple steering wheel controls like Bluetooth capabilities, voice control, and cruise control. If we look over to the left, you get an eco mode and a traction control button. Your hood latch is down there with your e-brake and gas cap. Front 2 windows are automatic. And then as we come over here to our screen, we get a couple different audio options. So you're going to get Bluetooth capabilities, you're going to get AM, FM, AM radios, iPod, aux connection, smartphone connection, and those will all be down here. So you get your 12-volt socket and then 2 USB ports. Dual zone AC in the passenger side and the driver's side. You get a push to start. Snow mode, kind of cool to have that in back of the gear shifter. You're going to get a couple different cargo areas. One up top, one down below, 2 cup holders. And then in your console, you get another 12-volt power outlet as well as your aux port. And then another USB port. Tons of space in there as well. As for the front seats, we get armrests. They got this cloth material on them that's really soft, really comfortable. Lots of legroom throughout the whole entire SUV. You're going to get this in all 3 of the rows. Get lighting up on the ceiling on every row as well. And then in this 2nd row, you're going to get air vents, climate control, a little bit of space down there. But this is definitely a family-sized SUV. Seats up to 8 people comfortably, like I said. It's in great condition as well. Seats look awesome. No tears. But overall, great looking interior. To wrap it up on our new Pilot, guys, it's in awesome condition. It's got just over 46,000 miles on it. 3.5 liter V6 under the hood that gets you up to 19 miles per gallon in city and 27 on the highway. It's an 8-seater SUV, definitely a family practical car. You get the reliability of Honda. It's a great condition. It's got hardly any paint defects. Really nice white paint job on it. The rims, same deal. Interior, same deal. The seats look awesome. No tears or stains or anything like that. You're going to get some really nice options with this one, with LED headlights, alloy rims. You got a backup camera back there. Bluetooth capabilities with smartphone connection, eco mode. Come on down to LeSueur Car Company and check out our new Pilot. We'll see you guys soon.